Lisa is 10 centimeters taller than her friend Ian. Ian is 14 centimeters taller than Jim. Let's stop there so you don't get overwhelmed. And a strategy that I would suggest when you are trying to organize all this information is to make a table, just like this. It's talking about 3 people, which is Lisa, Ian, and Jim. It's talking about their heights. So for some people, the hardest part is knowing where to start. And in this word problem, you start by figuring out who is everything revolving around. If you look at these first 2 sentences, both people are being compared to Ian. So that's who's going to get the variable, Ian. Let's let Ian be X. So once we got that established, we can write one for Lisa, who's being compared to Ian. And it says Lisa is 10 centimeters taller than her friend Ian. That is the same as writing X plus 10 centimeters taller than Ian. We can do Jim the same exact way. If Ian is 14 centimeters taller, that means that Jim is going to be whatever Ian is minus 14 centimeters shorter than Ian. Now we're going to focus on the second part of this table. Every month their height increases by 2 centimeters. In 7 months, the sum of Ian's and Jim's heights will be 100 centimeters more than Lisa's height. How tall is Ian now? The key thing that we got to focus on is that this says in 7 months. So we got to know how tall everyone is in 7 months. That's why I wrote a second column right here. This right here says every month their height increases by 2 centimeters. So in 7 months, that's easy to calculate. It's just going to be 7 times 2. Everyone is going to grow 14 centimeters after 7 months. So that's going to be Lisa's height plus 14 to represent how much she grew in 7 months. Combine like terms and you get X plus 24. Ian's will be pretty easy. That's just going to be whatever Ian is plus 14. That's how tall he'll be after 7 months. And Jim is X minus 14, who grew another 14 centimeters. If you combine like terms, that's just going to be X. We know how tall everyone is after 7 months. Now we're ready to write this main equation. In 7 months, the sum of Ian's and Jim's heights. So it says sum, meaning I have to add Ian's height in 7 months and Jim's height in 7 months. We just got to look at the expressions right here because we got that organized now. Ian's height in 7 months is X plus 14, and we're going to add it to Jim's height in 7 months, which is just X. Will be translates to equals 170 centimeters more plus Lisa's height in 7 months, which is X plus 24. Now we got all the hard parts out. This is just an easy equation with variables on both sides. Combine like terms on the left side, you get 2x plus 14. On the right, we can combine the numbers 194 plus x. Get x by itself by subtracting an x first, then subtract 14 to both sides, and we get x equals 180. Now we can answer this question, and it's very tricky because it says, how tall is Ian now? It is not what his height is in 7 months. It's talking about right now, and luckily, the expression for Ian's height now is just x. We already got that right here. So the answer to this is 180. I hope making a table helped you out and you got some good practice on solving equations as a word problem. If it helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.